Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Muscleblaze Pre-Workout 200 Xtreme. Start by checking tolerance with half a scoop, then progress to 1 full scoop if no jitters occur. Mix the scoop in 200 to 250 milliliters of water and shake, or stir vigorously until smooth. Drink 20 to 30 minutes before training and hydrate during your session. Avoid combining with other stimulants or late-night workouts to protect sleep. Use cautious dosing to find the right balance between energy and comfort. Try half a scoop first, especially if you use other caffeine products or medicines. If tolerated, move to 1 full scoop for moderate sessions and consider slightly less for shorter workouts. Track how you feel and avoid more than 1 serving in a day. Stay hydrated and eat a light snack if the pre-workout feels too strong on an empty stomach. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, perfect for packing pre-workout snacks and post-workout meals without spills. They save time and keep portions organized so you can focus on training. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab yours if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Timing the pre-workout is key to feeling its effects when you need them most. Drink the prepared mix about 20 to 30 minutes before your warm-up, so energy and focus peak as you begin heavy lifts or sprints. Combine the supplement with a solid dynamic warm-up to reduce injury risk and improve performance. Remember that consistency in training and nutrition matters more than relying solely on occasional stimulant boosts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.